Welcome everybody to Mark Bajerski YouTube channel. Today is Thursday. Thursday is Psychic. Let's have a look. Spiritual Awakening set. There you go. Lovely jubbly. Was 190, now 140. So have a look. Let's just have a look. Awakening oil. Beautiful. Oh. A beautiful piece of Mount Shasta. Gorgeous to work with. Look at that. Yeah. Oh. Beautiful. What else? Mount Shasta palm crystal. What else is in here? A beautiful Mount Shasta pendant. There you go. Look. So that's Thursday. Beautiful Mount Shasta. Just go on to Mark Bajerski and type Mount Shasta and read all about it. It's phenomenal energy. It is an opal, but it's exquisite. Also type in Mark Bajerski and then type Awakening oil and read all about it. It's phenomenal. So there you go, a beautiful set, but please don't forget, because it meets the threshold of 120, it's gone over, you will also receive one channeled crystal pendant as well. So you're getting two channel pendants. These are anywhere between 80 and 130. So fantastic. Really beautiful. Hope you appreciate that. Hope you enjoyed Thursday, the 11th of December's special offer from my heart to yours. Have a great day.